Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking steamed fish Thai style. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have lime juice, cilantro, young spring onions, hot chili, sugar, brown sugar, garlic, onion, tomatoes, chicken broth, salt and pepper, fish sauce, white wine, and we have here the pompano. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna steam the pompano. We're gonna put onions and tomatoes on its belly and a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're gonna steam it for 20 minutes. While we're waiting for the fish to cook, we're gonna do the sauce. We're gonna mix these ingredients to have a sauce after we cook the after we steam the fish. So let's get started. Now let's stuff the fish with onion and tomatoes. Okay. All right. There you go. Then put a little bit of pepper. Then dust of salt. All right. And there you go. Now we're gonna put this in a steamer. Now here's our steamer. We will put the fish in and we're gonna steam this for 20 minutes. There you go. Then we'll cover it and we're gonna visit this after 20 minutes. Now we are warming up our saucepan because we're gonna make the sauce for the fish. Okay. We're gonna put our chicken broth. There you go. And our sugar. We'll just stir this and we're gonna mix other ingredients later on. Now we will mix the other ingredients. We're gonna add fish sauce, like I should say 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, our lime juice, our garlic, minced garlic, our hot chili, and of course our cilantro. There you go. Now it smells good. This juice will be the one to give the flavor to our steamed fish, which we are cooking now. So let's taste this. Wow, it's good. Now we can add 2 tablespoons of white wine. 1, 2. That should be it. So this is ready. Now here's our steamed fish. After 20 minutes, we can transfer this into our serving dish here. Hopefully this won't break. This steamed fish recipe is very famous in Thailand, and whenever you go to Thai restaurant, they always have this in the menu, you know. So no doubt that this is very famous. All right, transfer this. Wow, there you go. It's very good. All right, now we're gonna garnish it with our sauce here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put our, there you go. Oh, it smells good. I can smell the nice aroma of garlic, cilantro, hot peppers, sugar, and lime. Look at that. Wow. It's beautiful. Oh, my mouth is watering already. Oh gosh, this is a very good recipe. Wow. There you go. Wow, this is, there you go. Here is our finished product. Steamed fish, Thai style. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the future cooking videos. Thank you and have a good day.